Good morning. How is you all? Hope you all are very fine and good and safe at home. Okay. Myself Nikita. I am from RM School. Today we start a new chapter number 9. Remember sign. Okay. In GK subject. What is the date today? Today date is 6/8/20. Subject is GK. Standard is 2nd. And open your page number 30 in your GK book. Okay. Now here are some different symbols and sign. By this sign and symbols you can understand the things properly. Okay. So here are some many. This is the swimming, which the is swimming. Then this is the no smoking. Here is the, what is this? Which sign is this? Telephone. This is the washroom sign. This is girl and boy. This is cycling. This is watering, drinking water. This is no dogs barking. This is recycling. This is danger, and this is first aid kit. Okay. So in our daily life and routine life, you see the symbols and other many things. By seeing that things, you can understand the properly this, what is the meaning of that things. Okay. So first is here, identify signs and match it. You have to identify the sign and you have to match that with spelling. Okay. What is the sign? ये किसकी sign है? So you have to match with that spelling. So first is a telephone. TELEPHONE. Okay. So which is the picture of the telephone? Where it is? Yes. This is no. Here. This is the picture of the telephone. Yes. Then second, swimming. 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 So where the swimming? Where the boy is swimming? Here. This boy is swimming. Match that swimming. Yes. What is the spelling of the swimming? SWIMMING. Swimming. Then no smoking. No smoking. There is a danger. There is a danger. There is a no smoking sign. Okay. So where is the no smoking? Here. Okay. Match that no smoking. Then washroom. When you go and travel many other things, you see the washroom where you see the picture of the boy and girl. Okay. So here is the girl and here is the boy. Okay. So this is the washroom sign. This is the symbol of the washroom. In mall and many other places, you see the different of this symbol. Okay. Cycling. Where the boy is cycling? Yes, this is the picture of the cycling, symbol of the cycling. So match that symbol. Then recycle. Recycle means इधर से इधर, like this. Turn and वापस वहीं पे आता है. It come back. Okay, this is called a recycle. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Recycle मतलब फिर से वही के वही एक ही बार ये राउंड करता है, उसको recycle बोलते हैं. तो where is the picture of the recycle? Here. This is a sign of the recycle. Then here is the drinking water. So where is the drinking water? Tap and bucket and glass. Sorry, this is the glass. So here is the drinking water. The picture of the drinking water is here. No dogs allowed. When you see that on some house door, there is a picture of the no dogs allowed. Okay. So this is the picture of the no dogs allowed. This is sign. ऐसे साइन किया होता है डॉग ड्रॉ करके. ठीक है. This is the no dogs allowed. Then first aid. On ambulance, on doctor kit, there is the sign of the first aid. And यू सी दैट फर्स्ट एड किट्स किसको बोलेंगे हम? सो वी कीप एनी मेडिसिन्स, any tubes, any other things in a box. We doctor have this first aid kits. So this is a sign of the first aid kit. Okay, we have to keep first aid kit at our home. Also हमें अपने घर पे भी first aid kit रखनी चाहिए. Okay, then this is the DANGER, danger. This is the danger. You see when the fire is there, fire truck is there, so there is a symbol of this danger. Okay, so this is a sign of the danger. Now you have seen the different traffic signal, different road signals are there. So there are many signals of signals and sign. When you see on the road, there is a left arrow. Okay, when you have to go left side, you draw you see a left side, right side. Okay, then no parking का बोर्ड होता है. So there are many road signs are there. We can see that sign and understand the way where to go, left side, right side, then merge the road. Okay, so here is the different sign and symbols which you understand properly and follow these symbols in your daily regular life. Okay kids. Okay kids, now we started chapter number 10, compound words. Which words? Compound words. Okay, so what is the meaning of the compound word? When two different words joins together, it's called a joining words or and compound word or a compound word. Okay, so here is the some two different words. This is the sun, this is the flower. Okay, so we join two words, it become a new form word. It's called a new word. This is called a compound word. When two words and two words we join together, it's called a new word. Make a new word. क्या बनता है? Yes, when we join two words, it's become a new word, that is called a compound word. Now we start here. First is sun. What is the picture of the sun? In your book kids, open the page number is 14. Which page number? Page number is 14. There you have given many pictures. See here in your book you have given many pictures. Sunflower, that means sunflower. Butterfly, that means butterfly. We join two words. Ball pen, it's called ball pen. Peacock, peacock. Raincoat, raincoat. Okay, so here are some new words. Joining two words means make a new words. Okay, so first is sun plus flower. S-U-N, sun. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. So we make a new word. We join sun plus flower. S-U-N, sun. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Sunflower. This is a sunflower flower. Okay. Second is butter. When you are eating the butter. Yes, so this is the butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, and this is the fly. Okay, this fly is flying in our home also, outside, roadside food, on roadside food. Okay, the fly, house fly. This is the house fly. So first is butter plus we add fly. Okay, so first we write butter. What we write? Butter and plus add fly to make a new word with a new picture. This is the butterfly. Third is ball. Which picture of this? Ball. Ball pen. This is the pen. Ball plus pen. Which new word become formed? Ball pen. Okay, which new word become? Ball pen. है ना? अगेन PEA, पी दैट मीन्स पी, जो ग्रीन पीस हम वेजिटेबल्स में खाते हैं ना वो, दिस इज द PEA, पी. Cock, it is a bird, rooster, cock. Okay, so peacock, what comes? Peacock. तो we can make a new word, PEACOCK, peacock. Okay, first we write P, then we add a cock, peacock. So here there are many new words and long words which make a new words. We join two words, it forms a new word. There are some examples of the new word. The first is, fifth number is rain plus coat. Rain, that means barish, and coat, that means the man wear a coat. So we join two words, it's become a new word. Okay kids, first I write rain, RAIN, rain plus कोट. अभी प्लस नहीं करेंगे, हम डायरेक्टली राइट करेंगे. ओके, कोट. सो रेन कोट. व्हेन वी वेयर द रेन कोट इन रेनी सीजन, वी वेयर द रेन कोट. देन सिक्स्थ इज स्टार प्लस फिश. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ दिस? स्टार, STAR, स्टार प्लस फिश. विच न्यू वर्ड्स बिकम? Which new word become? Starfish. कौन सा न्यू वर्ड बना? Starfish. Starfish lives in a sea. Have you ever seen the starfish in the sea, ocean? Yes. So here is the star. It looks like a star, right? It looks like a star. Plus you draw a fish. Okay. So now become a new word is, new image is starfish. It's called a starfish. Okay, now 7 number is basket, BASKET, basket. When we keep our fruit and vegetables, where we keep our fruit and vegetables? In a small bucket, basket. So basket plus ball, you play with a ball. So we join and compound this word and make a new word, basket plus ball, basketball. BASKET, basket. Which word we add? Ball, 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 basketball. We play with a basketball. So throw करते हैं ना ball. Yes, we throw in a basketball. It's called a basketball game. This is the basketball. Then it is cup. When you drink the tea, milk, yes, when you drink, yes, you drink in a cup. Cup plus cake. When your birthday is there, your father or mother brings a cake for you, right? So this is the cake. Cup plus cake. This is a small cupcake. Which spelling form? Cup, cake. This is new word become. Okay, cupcake. Small cup में जो आती है ना cupcake, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? What we say? Cupcake. Then lip. Where is your lips? Yes, this is the lips. And stick. जो लकड़ी होती है ना, small and thin, that is called a stick. We add two words, make a new word. Lip plus stick. It's called a lipstick. The girls doing lipstick on her lips, right? So this is called a lipstick. Then TEA, tea plus pot, tea plus pot, POT, pot. When you drink the tea, when your mother make a tea, your mother keep the tea in a small टी पॉट. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? टी पॉट, जिसमें हम टी रखते हैं, है ना. सो इट्स कॉल्ड अ टी पॉट. फर्स्ट राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ द टी. T-E-A-T plus we add a second spelling P-O-T pot. It's called a tea pot. Okay kids. Now 11 is shoe plus box. Speak again. Shoe plus box. So this is the spelling of the shoe and this is the spelling of the box. Okay. So we write the together two spelling. Shoe box. Shoe box. Where you keep your, when you buy a new shoes, where you keep it? Yes, you bring it in a box, shoe box. So it's called a shoe box. Then the 12 is W-H-E-E-L, wheel plus chair. Wheel plus chair. Wheel, then chair. wheelchair. which chair? wheelchair. जो wheels से चलती है ना chair, जो handicap होते हैं तो वो कहाँ बैठते हैं? they sit on a wheelchair. they cannot walk and run, so they sit on a wheelchair and go around where they want to go. Okay, I speak again this compound words. It's called a compound words or a joining words. We can say this is also joining words. Okay, so sun plus flower. Speak with me kids. Sun plus flower. Which spelling, new spelling become? Sunflower. Which spelling? Sunflower. Butter plus fly. Okay, butter plus fly. Which new spelling become? Butterfly. Then ball plus pen. This is ball plus pen. The new word become ball pen. Okay, then P plus cock. P plus cock, peacock. What new spelling become? Peacock. Then here rain plus coat. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Rain plus coat, raincoat. We wear raincoat in a rainy season. Star plus fish. Starfish. Which spelling? Star plus fish. New spelling is starfish. Basket plus ball. Basketball. Cup plus cake. Cupcake. Cup plus cake. Cupcake. This new word is cupcake. Lip plus stick. Lipstick. Break the spelling and write the spelling. Okay, lipstick. What we say? Lipstick. Cupcake. Basketball. Starfish. Teapot. So you remember the spelling. Okay kids. Teapot. Shoebox. Shoebox. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. Wheel plus chair. Wheelchair. There are many other words it can join and we can find and joined. You can try yourself kids and write two words and make a new forming words. That's called a compound words. Do this practice at your home and write in the notebook and in your textbook kids. Okay, till then take care and bye.